guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my everyday makeup for back to school. This is what I've been doing lately and what I will be doing for when I go back to school. Some days I do less, some days I do a little more, but this is just kind of a good base of what I do. It only takes like 5-10 minutes, so it's super quick, super easy, and yeah, I'm just gonna show you what I do every day. Let's get into the makeup look.
You say you got a girl. How you want me? How you want me when you got a girl? The feeling is reckless of knowing it's selfish, knowing I'm desperate, getting on it and left falling all over love. I do it till last.
Wouldn't it be nice if we were older? Then we wouldn't have to wait so long. And wouldn't it be nice to live together in the kind of world where we belong? I'm the boy in your other phone, lighting up inside your drawer at home, all alone, pushing 40 in the friend zone. We talk and then you walk away every day. Oh, you don't think twice about me, and maybe you're right to doubt me, but if you give me just one night.
Why you waiting? Be the light. My 360-degree reality, sunset beach. I don't need HGTV. I want the real thing, living off a dream. Give me a couple thousands, I'ma jet to Philippines. Yeah, my 360-degree ability, vision, yeah, lose the feel, let there be reason. Give circulation to the nation, we are one.
Alright guys, that was all for today's video. Hope you enjoyed. I just decided that I would show you guys my back to school makeup look so that you could get some ideas of how you would maybe want to do your makeup for back to school. If you are not following me on my Instagram, you totally should. I mean, you don't have to, but I've been more active on there lately on my Instagram stories. I'm trying to get more active with posting. You should definitely follow me on there because I'm a lot more active and you gotta just kind of keep up with my life more. That's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Keep on playing that song.